I am taking the question number 73. Panasonic Limited was formed on 1st April 2010 with an authorized capital of rupees 2 lakhs divided into 2000 equity shares of 100 each. 1000 shares were issued as a fully paid to the vendors of building for payment of purchase consideration. Now come. Panasonic Limited purchased the building. Pass the entry for at first building account debit. Building account debit to vendors account. Building purchase for the value of rupees how much? It has been given here. 1000 shares were issued fully paid. Okay. Or the face value of rupees is 100. 1000 shares at the rate of rupees 100. Point is clear? 1 lakh. It means purchase the building for the value of rupees 1 lakh. Reason that is clearly given. Panasonic Limited firm and 1000 shares issued at the rate of rupees 100 each. Fully paid to the vendors of building for the payment of purchase consideration. Now it is building purchase to vendors 1 lakh and later it is now vendors account debit to, you have to see what is the value of share capital. Now vendors debit to equity share capital account. Here you have to write being 1000 equity shares issued. Here 1000 equity shares issued at the rate of rupees 100 each. Okay. Now 1 lakh shares at the rate of rupees 100 each. It will be 1100 each. It is considered about the purchase consideration which last day we have to discuss earlier. And after the purchase consideration, total number of shares 2000, 1000 number of shares issued by the company for the purchase consideration, and for the rest 1000 shares is offered for public subscription at a premium of rupees 5 per share. Whenever we are going to see the shares issued for the public subscription, we have to write the mode at first. This point is clear to all of you. I think there is no any problem. Later after this, see about the rest part of the question. It is the first part of the question that is considered where the purchase consideration. Later 1000 shares. Now application rupees 10. Write down the mode at first. Application rupees 10. After this, write down allotment. What is the amount of allotment including premium? 5 rupees is the premium. 20 plus 5, 25 is the allotment. After the first call, see here, what is the amount of the first call? 40 per share. And after this, final call is 30 per share. Clear? See, 10, 20, 40, 30. Now 105 rupees is the security premium. Now 1000 shares issued by the company and people offered 900 shares. It is called under subscription. This thing is called under subscription situation. It means we have to solve the question on the basis of 900 shares, not on the basis of 1000 shares. Because company offered 1000 shares, but public has purchased only 900 shares, which were duly allotted, and allotment money was received full. At the time of first call, a shareholder who hold 100 shares failed to pay the first call money. First call, one shareholder didn't make the payment. It means 100 into 40. 4000 is your cost in area. Point is clear. 4000 is your what? Cost in area. Understood? A shareholder failed to pay first call money and his shares were forfeited. Just after the first call, shares forfeited. Be careful. Okay, these shares were reissued. Well, let them come the reissued part. Now come at first pass the journal entries in the books of the company. Now first entry we have to pass simple bank account debit to share application account. Narration to write by yourself. Bank application money received 900 shares at the rate of the application 10. It will be 9,000. Very simple. Bank application money received. Later application money will be transferred after this share application account debit to share capital account. Now total amount 1,000 of the share application amount transferred. Simply we have to write the measure bank application money transfer. After the application money come to the allotment. Now come share allotment account debit to share capital account. What do you write? To share capital account to security premium reserve SPR. Clear? Security premium reserve account. Bank allotment money due. Now come how much amount of the allotment we are going to due? 900 shares at the rate of ₹20. It will be 18,000. 900 at the rate of premium security premium 5. It will be 4,500. Point is clear. And total allotment will be due 22,500. Understood? Now we are going to receive, because allotment money received in full, so simply we have to pass bank account debit to share allotment account. Bank allotment money received now 22,500. Point is clear to all of you. So here the mode of application and allotment clear. After this we are going to see the mode of the first call. Now this point is clear to all of you till now. Come to the point about the mode of the first call. Now come after this we are going to see the mode of the first call. Come to the point. Mode of the first call. Again we have to pass the entry share first call account debit. What do you write? Share first call account debit to share capital account. Bank first call money due. What is the amount we have to write? Share first call account debit to share capital account. Very simple. You know 900 people has applied for 40 rupees per share. So it will be 9 4 36. Understood now? Okay, 9 4 36 30. Now 36,000. Now we are going to receive the amount bank account debit. Here we cost areas account debit and 2 rights to share first call account. What do you write? To share first call account. Bank share first call money received. Now see how much? Out of 36,000, very simple, 900 into 40, 9 4 36. Clear? 36,000. Here cost in area you are saying one shareholder who hold 100 shares didn't pay the allotment money rupees 400 into 44,000. This amount is cost in area. It means amount you have received 32,000. Bank account debit 32,000. Cost in area will be debited 4,000. To share first call it will be now 36,000. Big amount received. After this now, regarding the final call, question is completely silent. Be careful to all of you. Regarding the final call, there is no any information company has made or not. If the question is silent, it means company has not made the final call. Very simple funda is there. Now come pay the first call money and his shares were forfeited. Later we have to pass the entry for the forfeited of the shares. Those shareholders didn't pay the amount of the first call. Now it will be just forfeited after the first call. Here now share capital account debit. Now come to the point. share capital account debit cancellation time. So share capital account debit 100 share cancelled, multiply quarter value. Here quarter value 40, 20, 10. Now 70 rupees. Because 30 final call question is silent, it means it is not called by the company. So quarter value 70, 100 into 70, you have to write 7,000. Point is clear? Now this question regarding the security payment to page 5, but defaulter have already paid, so no need to consider it. Earlier I have taught you. Leave it the matter. After this, now see what is the amount of cross in areas. Now cross in area how much? 4,000, because first call not paid, and after this you have to write 2 share for feature account. It will be 3,000 because total 7,000. Defaulter has not paid 4,000, 3,000 is the forfeited amount. Okay, that is application allotment already paid there. Next part is of this question. These shares were reissued. 60 per share, 70 per share paid up. This shares reissued. Now say the share bank account debit 100 shares selling at the rate of ₹60. Now how much? 6,000. Bank account debit 6,000. Now share capital after comma ₹70 per share paid up. That is the share capital value. So 2 share capital at the time of paid up order. Whatever written down, that will be the share capital. So here share capital as considered 100 into 70. It will be 7,000. You are selling 6,000. It means you are making the loss share for feature account debit 1,000. Being shares reissued. You have to write lesson. Being 100 shares reissued at the rate of 60 per share, 70 paid up. Simply a final call has not been made. Okay. Now how much capital profit you are getting? You are making the profit 3,000. You are making the loss 1,000. It means share for feature account debit to capital reserve. You are getting how much? 1,000. That is the capital profit. The capital profit transferred to capital reserve account. 3,000 you are making the loss, profit, and 1,000 making the loss. This means 2,000 transferred to capital reserve. This point is clear to all of you. So you are required to first part give journal entries to record the above transaction, and so the share capital would appear in the balance sheet of the company. Okay. So how to prepare the balance sheet? In the previous questions I have solved 3 or 4 questions. You are able to solve to prepare the balance sheet. You will prepare the balance sheet by yourself. If you are unable to solve, then I will help you. Okay. Now this question is completed.